Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope that you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal University School, Morning Shift, Bonasri, Dhaka. Today I am about to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class Junior 1. Our today's topic is Arabic letters with double Jabar. Today's topic is Arabic letters with double Jabar. Today's lecture number 13. And I will give HW on the basis of today's lecture, which number will be 9, term half yearly. Okay, dear students, let's come to the board and watch and see how I write down Arabic letters from Alif to Ya and how I give double Jabur. Okay, firstly, dear students, you have to must know that this is Jabur, and if you give two sign on any letters, then it will be double Jabur. Okay, so now I want to write down from Alif to Ya firstly. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Lal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sod, Dod, Twa, Dwa, Dwa, Ain, Goin, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Nun, Waw, Ha, Hamza and Ya. Okay, dear students, this is Arabic letters from Alif to Ya, 29 Arabic letters. Now I want to give double Jabur. Okay, double Jabur. This is double Jabur. Alif dui Jabur An, Ba dui Jabur Ban, Ta dui Jabur Tan, Sa dui Jabur San, Jim dui Jabur Jan, Ha dui Jabur Han, Kho dui Jabur Khon, Dal dui Jabur Dan, Zal dui Jabur Zan, Ro dui Jabur Ron, Za dui Jabur Zan, Sin dui Jabur San, Shin dui Jabur Shan, Sod dui Jabur Son, Dod dui Jabur Don, To dui Jabur Ton, Ro dui Jabur Ron, Ain dui Jabur An, Goin dui Jabur Gon, Fa dui Jabur Fan, Kop dui Jabur Kon, Kap dui Jabur Kan, Lam dui Jabur Lan, Mim dui Jabur Man, Nun dui Jabur Nan, Pau dui Jabur Wan, Ha dui Jabur Han, Hamza dui Jabur An, and Ya dui Jabur Yan. Okay, dear students, now I want to repeat again from Alif to Ya. Alif dui Jabur An, Ba dui Jabur Ban, Ta dui Jabur Tan, Sa dui Jabur San, Jim dui Jabur Jan, Ha dui Jabur Han, Kho dui Jabur Khon, Dal dui Jabur Dan, Zal dui Jabur Zan, Ro dui Jabur Ron, Za dui Jabur Zan, Sin dui Jabur San, Shin dui Jabur Shan, Sod dui Jabur Son, Dod dui Jabur Don, To dui Jabur Ton, Zo dui Jabur Zon, Ain dui Jabur An, Goin dui Jabur Gon, Fa dui Jabur Fan, Kop dui Jabur Kon, Kap dui Jabur Kan, Lam dui Jabur Lan, Mim dui Jabur Man, Nun dui Jabur Nan, Pau dui Jabur Wan, Ha dui Jabur Han, Hamza dui Jabur An, and Ya dui Jabur Yan. Okay, dear students, now I want to give HW on the basis of today's lecture. And HW is same of topic. Today's HW number 9. Today's HW number 9. And topic, write Arabic letters, with double Jabur. Okay, dear students, you have to write down from alif to ya with double jabr like this. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood this topic clearly. Keep practicing at home. Avoid by your parents. Stay well. See you again very soon inshallah with another topic. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.